Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to TapTap Send Wallet. First thing I want you to do is launch up TapTap Send. You find your wallet here, just scroll down, and depending on your country you'll have a different currency, and then you just click here on Create Wallet. Now, here you just enter your funding amount, you just enter that according to your currency, and you'll see how much you'll receive, and then click on Continue, you'll see the exchange rate there as well, and your recipient, you'll see here it says My Wallet. And your payment method, make sure you add one. If you don't have one already, go and add a payment method. You just need your account number, expiration date, and CVV code. Sometimes they ask you for your name, depending on if you are on the app or the website itself. And then you confirm and fund the wallet. And then you'll see it's been successfully funded with that amount. And they'll send you a notification as soon as it goes through. You'll get a transfer ID as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.